Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to organize notes by subject in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to organize notes by subject in Notion, all you got to do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, to organize notes by subject, you need to create a central notes database. You need to add a subject property like select or multi-select and use limited linked views and filters on a dashboard to see notes by subject, status, or type. Creating tailored view for each course or topic for easy access and management. You can create a master note database by adding properties like name, subject, status, type, and last edited, and create subject specific dashboard. You can refine your system, which is completely optional, but you can simply do it for quick capture, relate notes, and templates. So this way you can organize notes by subject in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.